Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is going to be on this wig. This wig is by Wiggins Hair and they sent me their 13 by 6, 28 inches loose deep wave. So I thought I'd do this particular wig as a side part this time. And yeah, I'm just going to go straight into it. There isn't going to be much talking. It's just going to be really simple, really straightforward. These are one of those low maintenance type wigs where it's already curled, it already has a curl pattern. You could either wear it wet or just add some serum and that's it. You just have to fit the lace and you're good to go. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to go straight into the video and show you how I install this wig. This is the look. I'm just gonna put some serum. I'll flatten this bit some more. And take some serum just to smoothen any flyaways. I'll put everything down below as per usual if you're interested in this wig. Every wig I've received from Wiggins Hair have always been really good, so I can definitely swear by them. So definitely check out the info in the description box as usual. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.